I have all these groceries that need to be refrigerated, but I don't have a refrigerator to refrigerate them.
Hello? Hello? Goddamn kids. No respect. Waste of time.
Did you say refrigerator?
Yeah, I did. I said refrigerator.
For just 2 down payments and $9.99, we can get you this baby today!
Well, golly, that's just what I need.
Okay, son, sign right here, here, and here.
Absolutely. Yes, sir, refrigerator salesman, sir. Just $299.99?
2 down payments of $2.99.
2 down payments, that's a great deal.
And the short here.
Of course, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wow, look at this baby. This thing is exactly what I needed. Wow, what a nice touch. Certified pre-owned groceries. That's just amazing. Time to stock this baby up.
Whoa, son, you wanted to use your fridge?
Well, of course I did. I paid for it.
You paid to have it, son. If you want to use it, it's going to be an additional fee of $9.95 a month.
I don't understand.
You don't have to, son. Just pay the money.
So, can I use it tonight?
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, by golly. My refrigerator's fully stocked and I no longer have my pantry in the middle of the kitchen.
Hey, son. I see you're enjoying our free trial of the freezer.
Well, I sure am, but I don't know what you mean by free trial.
Well, it's going to expire in 2 hours.
So, what do I have to do?
Well, if you don't want your groceries to go bad, it's going to be another access fee of $9.95 a month.
Well, I don't want my groceries going bad. You got a deal.
Good, son.
Oh! Let's see, we've got $2.99, okay. Okay, and I guess I should budget for the next $2.99, okay. First access fee, next access fee. Let's see, okay, let's see what we get with that. Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna lose the house.
Let's talk about bonus content. Refrigerate?
Oh, ow, fuck me, that hurt a lot. Oh, damn it. Ow, the door's not. Oh.
Like and subscribe if you feel bad for
Ow. Like and subscribe. Am I famous yet?